Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications. Let's open settings. Then you have to scroll down, and here you have to choose the general management. Alright, let's choose reset. Select factory data reset. Here you've got a couple of useful information. It's good to read the following info and then scroll down in order to choose reset. So if you are sure that you want to erase all personal information, download the apps and customize settings, let's choose delete all. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. So let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you may activate your smartphone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.